Welcome to the All-Star Real Estate Market Minute with April Osborne. We got upstate real estate market numbers in for December and also for the entire year of 2019. And as you can probably expect, we had a good year in real estate for the upstate real estate market. Overall, home prices were up, inventory was up, and the number of homes properties that closed as compared to 2018 were up. So it was a good year. Fourth quarter, a few ups and downs, but overall pretty darn busy in December. So all of those details are on the website. What I really wanted to hop over here and tell you about was what I was seeing on the streets. Fourth quarter was probably the busiest fourth quarter I've seen since I've been a realtor. From October 1 through quite literally Christmas Eve, we were busy. We did not stop. I had showings scheduled for one of my listings on Christmas Eve, which I've never had happen before. So that is how strong the market still is. And I think there are a few things we can contribute to that. I believe the weather is probably one. Obviously the economy's good, people are spending money, but I think the warm weather for October, November, December really plays a big part. And I think it's gonna play a big part for 2020 as well. Because, you know, I took some time off between Christmas Day and New Year's Day, came into the office January 2nd, and it was just feet running. And it hasn't stopped since. Matter of fact, I have worked every weekend in January so far, and that's really unheard of. It's never happened before to me anyway. And that just gives you an idea that buyers are looking, and the warm weather allows them to get out and not be uncomfortable while they look. The big problem that we're still facing is inventory. Things are really tight. So I have buyers at the ready, and they look and I look every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, to see if new listings have hit the market because they're ready to go. We're just waiting on homes to be available for them to buy. So that's what we've seen so far. I know we've had a few chilly days recently, but the forecast is to get back warm again and virtually no winter so far and no sign of it anywhere. And that's one of the reasons spring and summer are such a busy time of the year for real estate is the weather. And so with the warmer weather coming earlier, then the busy season starts earlier, and I really think that we're here. So, you know, if you are buying, be patient on the inventory. If you're thinking about selling, go, go, go. Unless there's something personal, school, stuff like that that's holding you back, you should really get your house ready and put it on the market because, like I said, we have buyers waiting. And I expect to see that throughout 2020. I really do. Now, the one caveat is it's an election year, and traditionally during election years, we see a slowdown. The closer we get to the election date, the slower it gets. It won't necessarily stop, at least in the previous years it hasn't, but you know, it's very possible that we will see that this year. The other thing that I've been reading about are rates. So buyers, all the experts are saying that rates shouldn't change at all this year. So really you should take advantage of that too if you've been thinking about buying. Back to 2019, if you're a numbers person and you want to see those numbers, they're all on the website. So head over there, www.allstarrealestatesc.com. Click on the blog section.